Hello all and welcome back to my channel JS Lab. Today we are going to see about for loop and how it can be useful for us in data analysis. So for loop, first we will see the basics of for loop, how it can be used for a list, dictionary, tuple, etc. Then we will see how it can be used for data analysis purpose in Python. So as you all know, this is the basic structure of for loop. For, then a variable should be state, then in, and this is what it can be a list, can be a dictionary, can be a tuple, etc., where we will iterate the values, and this is the statement. So what to do with these values, all these things will be given. We'll do an example. First of all, we'll take the strings, okay, strings as a list of strings as some vegetables. So we have created a variable as a list veg which contains 3 strings. We'll use for loop for iterating values for some value, some variable x in veg. Okay, then now we are going to write the statement. What we need to do? We'll print the values. It's a simple one. Print x. So we'll get onion, carrot, and potato. So what it will do is this variable x will loop through each value, onion, carrot, potato, and will do as per the statement that we are given below. We can do this for a single string as well. For example, for y in, we'll give a name y in apple, and we print y. So it will go through each elements in the word apple and it will print the letters. Same example, I am interested when it reaches L, we need to stop the iteration. Okay, so what you can do is you can add a break statement here. Okay, for example, if y is equal to L, then break. Okay, now you see, if I run the statement, so till it reaches L, it will be print app. When it reaches L, it will be break. That means the for loop will not be executed anymore. Next, you can use the range function in for loop. For example, for x in range 0 to 5, print x. So these are all basic forms. This can be used for data analysis purpose. Okay, print x. So it will print that range from 0 to 4. Or you can modify this one like for x in range 3 to 30 and also with a step of 3, print x. You can see start from 3 and end below 30, and each step will be added by a value of 3. So that is how you can use the range function for iterating for loop iteration. Then you can also use an else function. You can use an else function here, like else. That means when it is over, what to do? Okay, print finished. Okay, so it will show it will finished. So after execution of for loop, you can put an else to print the finished function. No, it's not finished function, to state finished statement. Next, we will see the nested loop. Nested loop. For that, we'll take x is equal to red, black, orange. Colors, x is colors, and y is equal to apple, so list of apple, banana, carrot. So we have defined x and y to list. You can loop through the, so what you can do is for I, another variable in x. So inside that I am going to put another loop for j in y. Now what to do? Print I comma j. See, so these are the, so what it will do is first it will go to for I in x. So it will start looping through red, then it will start looping through y, okay, and it will print this I and j. So first of all, red apple, red banana, red carrot. Then, sorry, there is spelling mistakes. It is supposed to be black. Okay, then black apple, black banana, black carrot. Then orange apple, orange banana, orange carrot. So loop, you can use nested loop for this purpose. For loop inside another for loop. And also for loops cannot be empty, but for some reason there is no content in your for loop, you can use the pass statement, pass statement. Otherwise it will create an error. Next we will see how to iterate through a dictionary using for loop, through a dictionary. Okay, for example, I'll create a dictionary, dict dictionary equals its keep value pair apple, value is given as 1, then carrot, value is given as 2, and banana, value is given as 3. So key value, I have created a dictionary with 3 key value pairs. Okay, so what I can do is, for I'll take anything k in dict dictionary that you have created, print k. So it will loop through the dictionary and it will print the key names. So apple is the key, carrot is the key, and banana is the key. Now if you want to print for k in, you want to print the values, then you need to put print dictionary dict of k. Sorry, it should be square bracket. Yeah, now it will print the value names 1, 2 and 3 value names. Or you can use, as we have remembered in the dictionary section, we have created, we have used dot dict dot values, dictionary dot values, print k. In this way also you can print the values of the dictionary. Now we will see about tuple. So till now we have created, we have used only one variable. Okay, so you can use two variables, more than one variable also for iteration using for loop. That means for, we'll see one example. I'll give like for I comma j in, okay, 1 comma 2, 3 comma 4, 5 comma 6, print I comma j. So you can see here. So now we have given two variables here. We have introduced two variables ij, and it will take these values 1, 2 and will print here ij. And in the second tuple it will take 3 and 4 and print here 3, 4. Then the third one as a pair. So that is about how to use the for statement in dictionary and as well as in the tuple. Now we will see one example. Okay, I'll create one example. Equals, we have a column named marks. Okay, 40, 50, 60, 45, 46, 61, 42, etc. One list which contains the marks. So you have a data frame and you have one column of marks. And what we can do is, for x in marks, so it will loop through the marks, and you can see, you can use this one, print, whether you can see you want the marks which is greater than 50 only. Okay, so print x greater than 50. Okay, so you can see the boolean output. So whichever is greater than 50, it will show true, otherwise it will be false. So this can be used for the further analysis. Okay, so for loop will be useful in data analysis. So in this video we have seen the basic structure of for loop and how it can be used for iteration in strings, list, tuple, dictionary, and also how it can be used for data analysis. Now more about data analysis and data frames, that means for loops, how to use this one in a more efficient way for data frames, we will see in another video. So if you have any suggestions, please write in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye.